Welcome to the Scholarship Orientation tutorial for district reviewers. The purpose of this tutorial is to assist district reviewers in the understanding and navigation of the EAS dashboard and the scholarship system. EAS stands for Enterprise Application System, also known as the scholarship system. The scholarships within the EAS system include the EdChoice and EdChoice Expansion, the Cleveland, the John Peterson, and the Autism Scholarships. Let's begin. Start by clicking Login from the top of any ODE page to land on the Login portal. Choose the OHID portal button and enter your user ID and password. Once you land on the My Apps page, then select the scholarship box, which will take you to the scholarships dashboard. Note, the look of your dashboard may be different. Depending upon the role or roles you have been assigned, as well as the programs in which your district participates. However, the areas available and how the page is laid out will be consistent to all within the scholarship system. Starting on the top right of the page is the session timer, logout box, YouTube video box, as well as the user profile silhouette. To ensure the correct charts are displayed on your dashboard, click the white user profile silhouette on the bar. This takes you to the Charts for Selected Programs Types page. District reviewers may choose the Student Application Status box for the appropriate school year and up to 5 other charts to review, and then select the Update Chart Choices to save your chart selection and take you back to the dashboard view. In the central top area of the dashboard lists the user name, district name, and IRN. In the upper left-hand area of the blue bar, you will see the words Select Program. By clicking on the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger, you will proceed to the program choice listing, which allows you to access the individual scholarship programs. Just below the Select Program lines or hamburger is the Dashboard Announcements box. The Announcements box will show announcements across all programs, types, and you may need to select the announcements to display the full text of the announcement. Also in this box, as in all boxes, is the information icon. Select each icon to reveal information about that specific box. To the right of the announcement box is the task box. Selecting My Open Tasks, reveal the total number of tasks assigned. Then by clicking on that number, you may proceed directly to the list of tasks that need to be reviewed. Once there, click on the Proceed box to go to the listed application. Or select Dashboard from the top of the page to toggle back to the dashboard. To access the EdChoice Scholarship from the dashboard, choose the Select Program hamburger from the Programs listing and select the Educational Choice Scholarship. Once in the EdChoice Scholarship system, you will notice that the bar at the top of the page is now red. On that bar, you will find a series of words or tabs that are listed. First is the Dashboard tab. That links you back to the dashboard. Next is the Provider tab, which is connected to a provider search page for searching provider applications. Next is the Student tab, which is connected to the Search Student Application page and Task Management page. Next is the Finance tab, which is connected to the Finance Search page and information where you may search for finance and payment information about student applications. Next is the User Manual and Forms tab, which opens up a new window where you may find help documents such as the eligibility chart for district reviewers, the district reviewer user manual, and scholarship videos, including the one you are watching now. Simply close the page to return to the scholarship view. At the very end of the red bar is the EdChoice contact page, where you may find the EdChoice email box address. Currently, we are in the Provider module. However, to review student applications, we will hover over the word Student to reveal and choose Student Search Application from the Student drop-down. Choosing this takes you to the Advanced Student Search page, and once on this page, verify the correct application period is selected, and click the search box at the bottom of the page to return all applications for that year. Also, you may choose a specific status, such as submitted, to refine your search parameters, and again, click the search button. Scroll down to reveal the list of found applications. By selecting the Details button, you may open the student application for review. Once you are in the student module, you will see the application information bar, which illustrates the application ID number, the student name, the application period, the type of application, and the current application status. Below that, we can see the application has a series of tabs going across the page. These include the Student tab, the Parent-Guardian tab, the Income Verification tab, the Application tab, the Tuition tab, the Assessments tab, the Docs or Documents tab, the Status Flags tab, and the Comments History tab. Let's take a closer look at the important tabs for district reviewers. We start on the Student tab, which holds the student information, which must be verified as correct during the review process. Next is the Parent-Guardian tab, which will contain the address and parent-guardian information. Next is the Application tab, which will include the eligibility criteria and the district and provider information. Note: selecting the question mark will open the contact information for either the district or the provider. Next is the Docs tab, where the provider will upload application documentation that the district staff may open and review. Next is the Status Flags tab. This is where the district reviewers must change the application status to Under Review. Once in Under Review, they may select flags and use the Add Flag button to place these flags on the application prior to selecting Review Completed or Correction Needed. Please be aware, only fatal flags will stop an application from moving to eligible. Flags are used to alert providers of the need for corrections or ineligibility issues. Next is the Comments History tab, which will display the time and date of each status change and allow for district reviewers and providers to create new comments as well as respond to existing comments. Note: this is not email or instant messaging. These comments are recorded during the application process as a matter of record during the back and forth process of application submittal and review, unless the application is placed back into correction needed or resubmitted. The provider or district will not know to read these messages. Once done with the application, you may click the Back to the Student Search results to access the next application, or click on Dashboard at the top of the page. This ends the Scholarship Orientation tutorial for district reviewers.